Hello and welcome to this orientation video call before the powerful program Magical Morning Routine. I welcome all of you warm-heartedly. Today is Sunday and I'm so glad that you made up the time to watch this video, and this shows the sincerity and commitment you hold to transform your life through this powerful program. Applaud for yourself and congratulate yourself for having taken the first step towards your empowering journey. So through this video, a 10 to 15 minute video, I'm going to share with you who am I, why am I doing this, what am I going to teach you in the 5 days Power Packed program. So stay tuned till the end of this video and you would understand the day-wise routine, the day-wise plan that I'm going to teach you in the program, what it is going to be about, how it will help you develop those powerful habits and master them, which most world's top achievers are using for their goal achievement and their success. I'm also going to teach you in this video how to wake up, how to master that skill to wake up early in the morning at 5 a.m. to leverage that golden, beautiful hour towards speeding up your journey to success and creating your dream life. I'm really excited and I'm really glad for you. You have invested in this program in two specific ways. One is you have invested your money, which I understand it comes and it goes and you can earn it back. And the second is you have invested your time. For me, time investment is really important because time once spent cannot come back. So I promise that I'll do my level best to bring value to your understanding, your knowledge and your life so that you can take those powerful steps towards transforming your life into creating the life that you really want to live. In this video, you will understand how you will make it up to that habit of waking up early at 5 a.m. It is going to be a mental toughness challenge, right? So I have gamified this program. I have made it in the form of a challenge because when we take up challenges, we expand ourselves. हम लोग जब कोई चैलेंजिंग टास्क लेते हैं तब ही हमारे स्किल्स एक्सपैंड होते हैं, हमारी पर्सनालिटी एक्सपैंड होती है, एंड ओनली व्हेन यू कैन एक्सटेंड योर पर्सनालिटी, you can bring those changes in your inner software, you start seeing the changes on the outside. So these 5 days are designed in such a way that they will help you to redesign, restructure your inner engineering. Well, I am just a normal human being. This morning routine habit has helped me transform my life, transform my personality, gain so much confidence, develop that discipline in my life, because of which I could achieve so much that I felt so excited and enthusiastic to share this routine with all of you and teach you because I rejoice in your success. Okay, so here we are. I'm really excited. Now let us understand why early morning and why we need to have this time. So the most common reason that we usually give ourselves for not achieving our goals is lack of time and lack of resources. So this morning extended hour gives us the leverage to extra hours that brings us time enough so that we can work on our goals towards health, towards wealth and towards relationship, right? So this workshop will help you discipline yourself. And why discipline? So we understand through researches, we have understood that motivation is really good. Motivation helps us as inspiration to start something. So we have seen and we have experienced that बहुत enthusiastically हम कुछ नया start करते हैं. Usually in the form of जब year start होता है, new year resolution के form में, we are very enthusiastic about our health goals, about our career goals, that we want to make it up to the TED talk, or I want to finish my PhD, or I want to do this and I want to do that. But slowly within the first few weeks we see our enthusiasm and motivation fading away. Now what helps these top achievers to stick to their achievement, to the journey towards their achievement? And that is not motivation, that is discipline. Ask the top achievers of the world and they will tell you that it is not true that they are motivated 24/7 all the time, every day. They are not. And when they are not motivated, some days they are, some days they are not. So when they are not motivated, what comes to the rescue is discipline. Remember, as we were small children, how our parents used to discipline us, the school used to discipline us, the teachers used to discipline us. We had a routine for everything. So there was never a choice. We were never asked for it. Are you feeling motivated enough to go to school today? It just came naturally and we trained ourselves. Now at this age also, we need some motivation, some danda, some accountability, somebody to ask us, to nudge us, to push us, and help us develop that routine that brings discipline in our lives, and this discipline helps us achieve our goals, right? So this is a challenge. This is a 5 days challenge that I nudge you for, that I'm going to help you with. And remember, I'm rooting for you. So make up your mind that you have to join me every single morning at 5:30 a.m. You have to wake up at 5, and I'll slowly, by the end of this video, I'll be telling you what you're supposed to do by waking up at 5. And 5:30, we are going to meet live for the next 5 days. And I'll be teaching you all the things that you need to do in the morning to make your life bigger and greater. So this workshop, the 5 days workshop, will help you not just learn but implement what the top achievers are doing to accomplish their goals. It is a practical implementation of the theory that we are going to learn. So we will be meeting for the 5 days, 1 hour session live with me, and then every day we would be giving you 2 tasks to perform. And slowly you will understand how those tasks will be performed, and you have to mention that in the group, in the WhatsApp group dedicated specifically for this program. I need something from you. Of course, your time, your investment, but I also need from you your commitment, because commitment is what that makes you tough. ये एक मेंटल टफनेस चैलेंज है, फिजिकल टफनेस नहीं है, बट मेंटल टफनेस चैलेंज है, बिकॉज जब हम टफ चीज़ें करेंगे तभी तो हम टफ बनेंगे, राइट? सो दिस कम्स टू यू एज अ चैलेंज एंड आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू विद इट. आर यू रेडी? Are you committed for the next 5 days to be with me, to wake up at 5 and join me live at 5:30? I'm sure you are, right? So there are some rules of this challenge. What are the rules now? So to be honest, I have gamified this whole program. This is going to be entertainment as well as information. So every day when the 2 tasks will be given to you, so you have to make sure that with commitment you have to accomplish those tasks the same day, because if you do not do that, the next day another 2 tasks will be following up and it will get piled up and you will be getting under pressure. When you'll get under pressure and you'll think, your brain will think that it is too much for me to handle, you have a tendency to give up. अभी तक आप यही तो कर रहे थे, तो अब ये नहीं करना है. Now we have to develop that discipline through commitment. जिस दिन काम मिला है उसी दिन करेंगे, right? And I am your accountability partner. WhatsApp group पर आप post करेंगे कि आपने task कर लिया. That will give you the power to finish it and post it. And when others are posting, you get the energy also, right? So make sure you do the tasks the very same day. The second rule is that 0 compromises. Now these 5 days, let us stick to this commitment. These 5 days are going to be the game changers of your life. So 0 compromise. बहुत challenges आएंगे, बहुत कुछ होगा, लेकिन करते हुए भी just make up your mind that you will stick to the routine every single day and you'll join me all the 5 days, right? And yes, if you falter, even if you falter, make yourself get up and start all over again. So एक दिन छूट गया कोई बात नहीं, but next day फिर से आ जाइए, all right? So we can do that. On the WhatsApp group that would be created for this purpose, I request you all, no chit chats, no personal messages, please. So this is purely a professional group. Let us stick to the rules and let us respect each other's privacy and let us support each other in their life-changing efforts. All right, so as this is a mental toughness challenge, you have to wake up at 5 o'clock and you have to join me at 5:30. The first day that we are going to learn is the first thing that is important for all of us before we head towards any achievement journey. We must have the clarity on where are we going. So day one, I will facilitate you to have complete clarity over your burning desire. What is it that you really want to accomplish? Right? I'll be helping you through it, and you will get complete clarity on what do you want to achieve. The second thing is, on Tuesday, we are going to understand what is this morning routine. सुबह उठ के करना क्या है? So waking up is good, it's fun, it's nice. But then what do I do at that time so that I empower myself towards my journey? So this is day 2, Tuesday. We are going to understand what the routine is, what all things we need to do to energize ourselves. Day 3 is inner crafting. It is re-engineering ourselves. It is restructuring our personality and habits. So day 3 is inner crafting. हमें कुछ mental shifts करने पड़ेंगे, because only if you change on the inside you can bring a change on the outside. Day 4 is all about confidence and self love. So day 4 हम सीखेंगे कि अपने आप को confident कैसे बना के रखें despite what others are saying. So it is all about confidence, right? Day 5 is going to be a longer class, Friday. A longer class. We are going to recap all that we have learned. We are going to understand what all things we have accomplished, and I invite you to extending your habits and making it for the lifetime. So that's another thing we are going to cover up on Friday, day 5. Next is, I want you to know what is going to be my teaching style. So most of you are wondering कि कैसा होगा, क्या करेंगे, क्या नहीं करेंगे. So I'll be seeing you live every single morning at 5:30 a.m. Okay, and we'll be doing a session like this together. It is of course a Zoom call, as you all know it. So I request you for a few things. Since I use a very informal style of teaching, so it is not a very rigid style of teaching. मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश थोड़ा थोड़ा मिक्स करके यूज़ करूँगी. I use a lot of examples, a lot of stories, a lot of my own experiences I share in the program, and that is for a reason कि सी जब तक मैंने मैंगो को टेस्ट नहीं किया, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ कैसा लगता है, राइट? सो आई यूज़ ऑल माई स्ट्रैटेजीज ऑन माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट. आई एम माई फर्स्ट क्लाइंट एंड आई एम माई बेस्ट क्लाइंट एंड आई एम माई मोस्ट क्रिटिकल क्लाइंट. तो जब तक मुझे फ़ायदा नहीं होता है, मैं आपको कुछ नहीं सिखा सकती हूँ, राइट? सो व्हाट आई डू इज़ आई हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स ऑन माई सेल्फ, एंड आई यूज़ अ लॉट ऑफ माई लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स, माई क्लाइंट्स एग्जाम्पल्स, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ आई एक्सटेंड माई टीचिंग. Then by the close of the session, you will understand 2 challenges will be given to you each day. You have to accomplish those challenges during the day, and in the evening the WhatsApp group will open for all the members to enter their messages, and you have to share the tasks that you have completed, and you have to mention it there. So we must follow the WhatsApp group rules, and please, no negativity here. We are here for a very positive purpose, and we are here to empower each other, right? We are here to have fun and grow together. So now is the time to share how to wake up at 5 a.m. Okay, so कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि 5 बजे हम कभी तो उठे ही हैं, राइट? कभी फ्लाइट है, कभी पिकनिक है, कभी कहीं जाना है. So we all have made it up at least sometime in our lives, waking up at 5 a.m. We know how it feels like, we know how it looks like. But तब हमारे पास एक purpose होता था, right? जब purpose होता है तो उठना आसान हो जाता है. Now when we are trying to develop this habit for waking up at 5 a.m. every single day, I want to know, and I want you to know, what is your purpose of waking up at 5? आप 5 बजे उठना क्यों चाहते हो? आप क्यों चाहते हो ये प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करके ये हैबिट को डेवलप करना? एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू राइट डाउन योर बिग 5, बिग वाई. बिग 5 इसलिए कि 5 वाइज होते हैं, बट यहाँ पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लिखो what are your whys for waking up at 5 a.m. for building up this habit. Because when the whys are strong, the hows take care of themselves. जब purpose strong होता है तो उठना आसान हो जाता है, कोई भी difficult काम आसान हो जाता है जब हमें एक purpose मिल जाता है. So discover that purpose, understand that purpose. Why do you want to wake up? Is it health? Is it that you want to have time for brainstorming towards your business? Is it that you want to develop some good habits like meditation and exercising? What is the real purpose? What is the big why? Write it down in your diary, because this is going to give you the energy. Make your why clear to you. Make it strong, because when you make your why strong, the challenges will not derail you. अगर आपका why weak होगा ना, पता नहीं होगा कि क्यों उठना है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, जब तक आपका why strong नहीं होगा, small little challenges will come, because challenges will come, and when the small little challenges come, you will get derailed very easily, and I don't want that to happen to you, right? So it is very important for you to write down your why. What is your big why? Okay, so when I developed this habit of waking up at 5 a.m., my big why was that I wanted to discipline myself. It has been years together that I was yearning to develop this habit of waking up at 5 a.m. I had seen my models, I had seen my role models waking up at 5, and I would just appreciate and admire them, only thinking, longing about it कि कब होगा मेरे साथ ये, मैं कब उठ पाऊंगी 5 a.m. को. And then I took it up as a challenge and gave myself this challenges for the next 90 days. I am going to wake up each single day, every single day, despite whether there is a party a night before, or we are traveling, or whatever it is. And I made it. And you know what was the byproduct of this habit? Lot of confidence, huge confidence. I could tell myself कि अगर ये मैंने कर लिया, I can accomplish anything in my life. It was that big for me. So my big why was to extend my personality, to unblock myself from the self-defeating habit of desiring but not accomplishing. So what is your why? Write it down. Write it down in your diary. Now I must tell you why this habit of waking up at 5 a.m. so important. Let me tell you, the world's top achievers, कितने भी नाम आप ले लो, आप कितने भी नाम ले लो, ओपरा विनफ्रे है, स्टीव जॉब्स है, सारे हमारे स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्स हैं, बराक ओबामा है, हमारे अपने नरेंद्र मोदी, आवर ओन प्राइम मिनिस्टर, अक्षय कुमार, कितने सारे हीरोज, they all the top achievers, they all have a common habit of waking up at 5 a.m. Yes, they all have. जो टॉप अचीवर्स हैं वो 5 बजे उठ के क्यों और क्या करते हैं, दैट इज़ वॉट द क्वेश्चन इज. नाउ वी नो, हमारे वेदों में, हमारे टेक्स्ट में, एंशियंट टेक्स्ट में ये लिखा हुआ है, दे कॉल इट द ब्रह्म मुहूर्त. इट इज़ अ डिवाइन आवर. कहते हैं ब्रह्म देवता इस समय ज्ञान बांटते हैं, ज्ञान की वर्षा होती है. सो बिसाइड्स दैट, नाउ दीज टॉप अचीवर्स हैव ऑल्सो endorsed that कि ये ब्रह्म मुहूर्त, ये गोल्डन आवर, ये टाइम जो मॉर्निंग का है, कुछ तो मैजिक इसमें है, राइट? दैट इज़ वाई दिस मैजिक आवर, that is what made me passionate about it, and that is why I experimented with it to find it out for myself how it works. इस गोल्डन आवर में क्या मैजिक है? सो मैजिक ये है that your subconscious mind is really receptive of the newness that you want to instill in it. The cosmic energy is in its highest vibration at this hour. सिर्फ प्योरिटी पॉजिटिविटी का टाइम है. क्रिमिनल सब अपना काम करके सोने चले गए हैं, राइट? और पार्टीज वार्टीज करके, सब कुछ करके सब लोग सोने चले गए हैं. Now is the time of silence. Now is the time of creation. This early hour that we call as Brahma Muhurat, which is such a divine hour, at this hour the cosmic vibration is at its peak. So whatever you do at this hour has a 10 times impact, a 10-fold result for you. That is why we always heard from our parents कि सुबह उठ के पढ़ा करो, फ्रेश होता है माइंड, सुबह उठ के पढ़ा करो, because the mind is impressionable, the mind is clean, and that is the time whatever you give it, it accepts wholeheartedly, it accepts very effectively. You can implant the seeds of your success at this time using the techniques that I'm going to teach you in the next 5 days. That is why this is the significance of the morning time, the 5 a.m., the Brahma Muhurat. So a lot of benefits you will derive, as I have from this habit. No distractions at this time. It's the most productive time of the day. So आपको बहुत time मिलेगा कि आप अपने goals पे काम कर सकते हो. The mind is ready and willing to absorb whatever new things you give to it. This is the time you can build up confidence and build up discipline. So ये discipline, ये confidence जो आपके पास आएगा, it will have a ripple effect on all other things that you want to do in your time, in your day. You will be the role model for your family. Your family will be proud of you and they would want to follow you, right? So this is the time you can also dedicate to your passion. जब आपके पास टाइम नहीं होता है गिटार बजाने का, डांस करने का, सिंगिंग करने का, रीडिंग करने का, ये टाइम आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. दिस इज द एक्सटेंडेड लाइफ that you have for yourself, right? Okay, now we come to the point. A point पे तो पहले भी थे, but this is, now is the time that I'm going to share with you how to wake up at 5 a.m. Okay, so there is a technique to it. The preparation for the morning starts a night before. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is prepare up the space where you want to sit and work. So where do you want to attend the class? Where do you have that space where others will not be disturbed? So you want to make sure that that desk is clean, it is ready, the chair is put in the right place, the pen, the diary, everything is there in place, and you know what, with clarity, how you're going to spend that morning time. Okay, so it starts a night before. Arrange the place. Second thing is you do not want to compromise on your sleep, so you have to sleep early. You have to have those 6 to 8 hours of deep, nice sleep. For that, close your gadgets at least 2 hours before. This is going to be challenging, and definitely we are meeting for challenges, right? So this is a challenge and we want to, अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ को चेंज करना है तो कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, right? So this is a very small price that you can pay. Prepare yourself to sleep early by closing the switching off the devices and gadgets, because the blue light interferes with your sleep and the quality of sleep. Sleep on time. Now, pillow talk. What is this pillow talk? हम कुछ लोगों ने सुना है पिलो टॉक के बारे में कि जब हमें सुबह उठना होता है तो मैंने सुना था अपने एल्डर्स से कि अपने पिलो को बोल के सो जाओ, वो आपको उठा देगा. एंड अमेजिंगली आई वुड वेक अप, व्हेनेवर आई डिड दिस, आई वुड वेक अप विदाउट एनी अलार्म right at that time when I wanted to wake up. So use this pillow talk for yourself. Before sleeping, tell your pillow, my dear pillow, I want to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and please help me wake up with full energy and enthusiasm. Sleep over it, right? And you'll be amazed. जैसे कि मैं हूँ, अलार्म से ठीक 5 मिनट पहले मेरी नींद खुल जाती है, right? Okay, so it is really powerful. Then announce it to the world. Tell your people, let them know that you are going to take this challenge, that you have taken this challenge already. Why? Because this builds a positive pressure on you. जब हम किसी को बता देते हैं ना तो हम embarrassed हो जाते हैं, इसलिए वो हमसे हो ही जाता है, फिर हमें करना ही पड़ता है. So let them know that you have planned for this and you're going to accomplish it. Put it on your social media, tag me there. This is what you're going to do. Announce it to the world and build up that positive pressure so that you take it up as a challenge, and then they become your accountability partners, right? Then the next one is delegate work. अगर आप delegate नहीं करोगे तो आप time पे सो नहीं पाओगे. So share responsibilities. बच्चों को, अपने brothers को, sisters को, parents को, spouse को, सबको काम दे के काम ख़त्म करके फटाफट से sleep on time. Let people know that you are taking up this challenge and you need their support. So parties हो ना हो, जैसे भी हो, these 5 days, make it for yourself because you want to experiment your limits, right? So let them know, seek their cooperation and ask them to help you for accomplishing this. In the morning, the moment you open your eyes, you have to do this. Count 5 backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and your feet flat on the ground. You leave the bed. You jump out of the bed. उसके बाद अगर आपने पाँव नीचे नहीं रखे, then you go back to sleep. No snooze button, no snooze option. So the moment you wake up, you count backwards 5 and your feet on the ground. Gratitude. Ask. Tell the universe how grateful you are for this lease of life. Another day for yourself. And the second thing is ask your question. People get beautiful solutions for their toughest of problems at this hour. It's amazing. You can experience it to believe it. Experiment with it and find it out for yourself. So, 2 things in the morning: wake up, backward counting 5, feet flat on the ground. First thing is gratitude, and second thing is ask your question to the universe. All right, so challenges for day 1. Now we come to this challenges for day 1. You have to wake up at 5 a.m. You have to wake up at 5 a.m. and type on the group, I am awesome. Type on the group, I am awesome. That will help us know that you have woken up, and everybody will cheer each other. There would be energy on the group, and others will be get tempted to wake up, right? So the first thing you do is you wake up, you go to your phone and type, I am awesome. Second is, I'll be sharing a link with you. It's a pre-recorded guided meditation, which is called the willpower meditation. And you have to, it's a 10 to 15 minutes meditation. You have to sit, freshen up, drink water and do stuff, and then sit and meditate. And after doing this willpower meditation, then you have to join the class, right? So I meet you at 5:30 sharp. Finish all the things that we have just discussed. Prepare yourself enthusiastically. I am really excited to see you for this 5 days masterclass. And I'm sure you are enthusiastic about it. We are going to do it in a most fun way, right? So have a diary for yourself, have a pen for yourself, make notes while I do the session. And I'm really excited because it is going to be very, very fun, very, very entertaining, at the same time very, very empowering, because we are going to learn all those things that most successful people do in the morning to make their lives great. And we all have the power to make our lives great. I have made it for myself. You can make it for yourself too. Let's do it. Right. I'm really excited. Rooting for you. Wake up at 5 a.m. Do all the things as I've told you today. रात को prep up करके सोएं. Follow all the things that I've just shared with you. And in the morning, follow the steps as discussed. And you will make it without wanting to go back to sleep again. It is going to be magical. It is going to be powerful. It is going to be rocking. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.